Hello everyone, welcome to Scrappittarius on YouTube. This is Suchi and I have a happy mail share with you today. I should say a pen pal letter. This went to my friend Pamela. Pamela is in Germany, and in fact, as of the date of this voiceover, this letter has reached her. This reached super quickly. I think it took about 12 days or so. Yep, 10 to 12 days. That's really quick from India to Germany. I am showing you the envelope. I really liked how this one turned out. I will be frank, I am more excited about the envelope than the actual flipbook. I do like the flipbook I made, but I must admit I came back to vintage after some time. I've been working with bright colors and I found myself struggling. So Pamela told me she liked it, so I'm glad. But if you ask me, I didn't think this was the best I could do, but it's okay. It's not a competition and I'm going to be writing to her, so I can always do better. Okay, so these are the contents of the envelope, the flipbook. There's a photo collage, and then there's letter 2, which means I am sending 2 letters in this envelope. The first letter I wrote in March. It's been a really long time. I never ended up sending it because I was working on the mail and I was going back and forth, finally deciding on this. So by the time I was sending it in, I already had more things to say to Pamela, so I wrote another letter. So it's a 3-page flipbook, and on the inside cover, the front inside cover, I have a note saying, "Hi Pamela." I usually have something like this on the cover of the flipbook or tied to a string, but it didn't work out in this case. The label is kind of large, so I decided to place it here, and some memo sheets that go with the colors I've used, washi tape sample. And on this side here I have a large botanical book page. Hopefully she'll be able to use it in her collages. And then this book page envelope that I made contains a few stickers. There's botanical stickers and craft colored, I think postal ephemera stickers, cancellation marks. I printed these at home. And then a couple other floral stamp stickers. On this page I have added some digital ephemera for her. The painting of the lady, that's a sticker, that's a large sticker, and there is a similar large sticker on the first page. I think I missed mentioning that, but anyway, this is a digital reproduction of a vintage postcard. And when I send these stickers, I always write at the back that this is a sticker because they look like journal cards. And here I have some digital ephemera and some more memos for her. These are Victorian calling cards, which were digitized, and then I typically get these printed professionally. I send them to a printing service. Sometimes I print them at home. I like to get them printed commercially because I don't have a laser printer at home, and I like the finish of laser printouts. And then these are not sure, botanical ephemera of some kind. I did go back and add vintage ticket stubs for her. I felt like these could be good in collages. And then there's another transparent sticker at the back. I think I'm going to show you both these stickers against a white background. Yep, I recently found these with a reseller here in India, and I was very excited because I've seen these only on other channels, penpal videos, and I didn't have a way of getting these here in India. Love how these look. And that is my first letter to Pamela. The other, this one's a pretty thick letter itself. The other I printed, and that also turned out to be pretty thick. So it's just very lightly decorated, and the paper had this, the format I used had this design on it. And I need to seal it. Sorry, excuse my voice. Wow, don't you love how decisive my movements are? And here I'm sharing travel stories and photographs with Pamela. She liked my travel photos from Rajasthan, so I'm sharing a few more with her. It's quite similar to the photo story I shared with Lena recently. So I've decided for each pen pal letter I send out, not the first letters usually, but once I've kind of started interacting with my pen pal, I'm going to include travel stories, because I have so many colorful travel stories from, not colorful stories, sorry, colorful photographs and stories from my travels here in India. I feel like they'll make a good addition to my happy mail. And that's all for this packet. and I'm glad it has reached safely and that Pamela likes it. I cannot wait to hear back from her. And thank you all for joining. Please subscribe to my channel. I have more videos in the pipeline.